Ever pulled what was supposed to be crispy fries out of your air fryer, only to find them soggy in the middle and burn on the edges? Or try to cook a family meal only to realize your tiny countertop oven just isn't big enough? If that sounds familiar, you're going to want to hear about the Geek Chef 16-quart air fryer toaster oven. This is a large-capacity, multifunctional countertop oven designed to handle everything from toast and pizza to whole chickens, and it promises healthier meals with up to 75% less fat thanks to 360 degrees hot air convection. But does it actually deliver consistent, delicious results? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the first thing you notice is the size. At 16 quarts, this isn't a small appliance tucked in the corner. It's a family-size powerhouse. You can fit 4 slices of bread, a 9-inch pizza, or roughly 700 grams of chicken wings in a single session. That 3-layer design makes it perfect for family meals, meal prep, or even holiday cooking without overcrowding, which is a major factor in getting food cooked evenly. The design is sleek, all stainless steel, and feels durable while still looking modern on your countertop. It's heavier than smaller air fryers, which gives it a solid feel, but that also means it takes up more space, so make sure you've got room. The control interface is simple. 4 knobs handle timer, temperature, function, and fan speed. Unlike some touchscreen-only models, this makes it incredibly intuitive for people of all ages. No confusing menus or tiny digital buttons to squint at. Performance is impressive. The Geek Chef oven uses 360 degrees air convection to cook food evenly across all 3 layers. In practice, that means your chicken wings come out golden brown on the outside without drying on the inside, toast crisps uniformly, and pizzas bake without soggy centers. The adjustable fan speed is a nice touch, letting you dial in exactly how crisp or tender you want your food. And because of the air fryer technology, you can achieve these results with significantly less oil, making it a healthier option for daily cooking. This oven is also versatile. Beyond air frying, you can bake cakes, roast fish, cook steak, broil vegetables, or just keep food warm. If you're someone who likes experimenting, it supports over 100 recipes via the app, which is a fun way to try new dishes without guessing on times or temperatures. The included accessories, baking pan, air fryer basket, wire rack, and crumb tray, cover nearly all cooking bases and make cleanup relatively painless. Stainless steel surfaces wipe clean quickly, and removable trays make scrubbing minimal. Noise-wise, it's about what you'd expect from a convection countertop oven. The fan is audible but not disruptive. It sounds like a solid kitchen appliance rather than a loud, distracting machine. Speed is good too. With the 360 degrees convection, meals cook faster than conventional ovens, which is perfect for busy households that, of course, it isn't perfect. The size, while great for families, could overwhelm a small countertop. The 4-knob interface is simple but might feel dated to someone who prefers digital touchscreens or preset programs. And while the fan speed adjustments are handy, there's a bit of a learning curve to figuring out the perfect settings for every type of food. If you're just cooking for 1 or 2 people, this might be overkill, and a smaller, more compact air fryer could be easier to manage, compared to similar multi-function air fryer toaster ovens in the same price range, like the Cosori air fryer toaster oven or the Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart. The Geek Chef 16-quart stands out for its size and versatility. Those other models are excellent for small to medium households and often have more digital controls, but the Geek Chef wins on capacity, even multi-layer cooking, and family-friendly usability. So who is this for? Families, home cooks who want a single appliance that can handle multiple functions, and anyone looking to prepare healthier meals with minimal oil will benefit. Who might skip it? Solo cooks, small kitchens, or anyone looking for a purely digital, one-touch experience might find this oversized or a little clunky for their space. All in all, the Geek Chef 16-quart air fryer toaster oven earns a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's reliable, versatile, and truly family-friendly, making meal prep faster, healthier, and easier. The size and even cooking really set it apart from smaller, more basic air fryers. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and handle bigger meals without juggling multiple appliances, check the link in the description. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.